What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Yo, you guys been going crazy on my last 3 videos. And see what we have in the back seat. See if you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? No, you guys cannot. Can you? No, you guys can. As you can see by the thumbnail, we got seats. So, just like last time, gotta take off the battery. So last time when I took out the seats, kind of just screwed the 2 front ones in. So we just go to the front and so it's not in that way. Out. So in order to get the bolt out, you want these fancy things. And it okay, so change of plans. You need a 1/4 ratchet with a 1/4 to a 3/4 drive and a 3/4 T40. Get this in focus. There you go. No fucking way. Still. This has to be the most annoyingest fucking thing I've ever fucking done on this fucking car. So right after you take off the belt tensioner bolt, you're just gonna want to unclip this. Bolt tensioner. Oh. So a Mini literally makes it impossible to take out those bolts, so you'd need one of these just to try to access those bolts. Ah shit, we back in business. What's going on, you guys? And this is 2 days after my recordings for taking off the driver's side rails and everything, and I was missing the special plates that I need for the seats, because you know Mini doesn't make it easy for you, and you can just like bolt it on, but nah. So I had to get this shipped overnight all the way from Europe. Honestly, I forgot what the shop is called, but shout out to them because they overnighted the shit to me and I needed it ASAP. Let's pull out these $100 plates because that's how much they cost me. Whoa. Whoa. No way. $100 for this. Really. But shit, this is all we needed to put the seats on, so let's get right into the video and install these. So I got something else, right? So like it was 2:33 in the morning. I'm just watching videos and an ad popped up, right? And it was like, it's Magic Socket, and I was like, bro, what? I've never seen this. So you know that I had to get these. Not one, two. I had to get 2 Magic Sockets, and we'll put these just to use. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift from Superbrand Tools. Amazon gift receipt. That's the shit. But the thing that the thing that's so cool about this is that it has this like metal thing inside. It's like you see when I put my finger in there, it goes down. I'm gonna put this to the test. Damn, it got silent. Hello. Hello, you hear me? Hello? Yo, it feels good to be making videos again because I was delayed for 2 days because I didn't have the seat bracket. I'm just realizing that this now as I'm looking at this plate. Look at how bent this thing is. Do you see how fucking bent this thing is, bro? I'm gonna try to fix it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I can't really do anything about it. So doing that has to be the hardest part. That's Rangy. He's gonna be in some videos.
Is this straight for you?
Now it is. So this is what it should look like at the end. The seat is going to sit on this plate right here. And the rail set right on the bottom. 4 bolts on this side, 4 bolts on this side, and it should sit perfect. And we should be able to just throw it right in the car now. Alright, if the seat even clears, because I haven't even tried installing, like, putting in the seat before. Oh shit.
No, you should. That's literally perfect.
It literally sits right on it. It's the perfect height. Literally one of those. Spent 140. Yo, this motherfucker's getting the easy job, bro. Dude. He gets it after I open it and shit. The hardest part. What are you doing? That's a grinder. Huh? Oh, that's how it sits?
Yeah.
Ramsey said Jenny's on the low key.
Don't whisper to me, camera.
Yeah, no. Ramsey's not a genius after all.
Hold on.
Wait, you thought this was about to be sweet? You thought this was about to be
I
sweet?
think we need safety glasses, dude. Before I go blind.
Nah, who needs safety?
Remember that dude at the shop? He got one of those sparks in his eyes?
Yeah,
his eyes went. I want that shit to happen to me. Hold on. I gotta stand up.
Oh, cool vibes, bro. The reason why we are doing this is because the seats don't really fit onto the metal plates that I got. So we basically have to make like a custom bracket for it, for the seats to actually bolt onto the metal plate. And that's what Range is cutting off right now, this custom piece, so it can actually sit on it. More power, baby. Come on, Range, you got one job, bro. Bracket, which is gonna bolt on right into the bottom of the seat. Made a whole video scene in the car, right? Literally, like not even a week later, like 3 days later. Yeah. Chill. Yo. If this video, Ramsey, if this video gets 100 likes, I will cut off one of your hairs.
Fuck you.
I will literally cut off one of his hairs if this video gets 100 likes. You down?
No.
We'll just cut a little piece. Not a little piece, but we'll cut it like a. We're not gonna force it. Like I'll cut a piece like this big.
Cut your own hair.
I'll cut, yo.
Oh, it's your YouTube. You cut your hair.
How about this? If I get 100 likes on this, I will trim my hair. I will trim my hair with this thing, and then I'll go get a cut to fix it. That sounds like a good deal. Took off everything from the passenger seat, and that's the rails for it. And Ramsey, what did you get though?
Pieces.
We
We got all our washers assorted, all our screws assorted. Basically, as soon as we can get a wrench, one more washer, and we're gonna be good.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Try putting it on.
Oh my god. It worked. Oh my god. Now we need to clean it.
Yeah.
Yeah, adjust it. Hey.
No homo.
What?
I said no homo.
Bro, there's a cop. So we're just gonna end up clipping the sensors back up so we don't get an airbag light. Or so I don't get an airbag light. Yo, shit's gonna hold me in, bro.
That's crazy. That's crazy we did a whole custom fitment too.
Facts. I would have never thought of that. Like, bro, like, thing is, me and him have, like, this weird ass thing, like, when we're together, like, we're so smart. Damn, this thing needs to. Woo! I need more lighting so I can't see it. This shit looks sexy.
That's done.
Boom! So me and Ramsey about to work on the second seat with in the plates. Wait, what?
Hopefully this one's easy.
So let me show you guys how ghetto this is, right? So this is the seatbelt tensioner. It's where you plug in your seatbelt, right? And there's these two sensors. So these are the sensors that trigger on the airbag light. So what I'm gonna do, or what I did on this driver's side, is I just plugged these two in, and I literally left it right underneath the seat. Hey, stop banging. All right, so. Alright, so that's the wire harness for everything that's important. So I'm basically just gonna plug this one right into this one, boom, and then this one right into this one. Hands are so dirty just from doing seats. Like, how does that make sense? The seats are in, and damn, this shit looks fucking beautiful. I love this. Oh my god, that's the furthest it goes out. Bro.
How? I don't know.
You big ass head going through? You big ass head through?
I'm kind of stuck. My head is stuck.
Your head's stuck. Yo! Skinny people things. Right to the back. Oh my god, I need to clean this car again, bro. It's so dirty. Nah, no fucking cat.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn this on to the side, bro.
Where'd you see it all the way back?
What's so mad for?
I literally appreciate all the love and support. 104 fucking subscribers, and it's only been a week. And you guys just been going crazy on my videos. Yo, we pretty much did 100 subscribers in like 6-7 days. That's fucking crazy. If you guys, if somebody was to tell me I was gonna have 100 subscribers after 6 days of uploading my first video, I would have been like, bro, no, you're lying. But now that it's actually happening, I actually appreciate it so much. And if you guys continue to watch my videos, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more mini content. If you guys want to see Ramsey on the channel more, yo, give it a fucking thumbs up. The bet's still happening. If I get 100 likes on it, you Ramsey. If I get 100 likes in this video, I'm trimming my hair with the, what's it called?
The Dremel?
With the Dremel.
You're cutting your hair, right? Not mine.
How about this? All right, come here. So, since we already talked about the bet, if I get 100 likes, I cut my hair.
And then 200 will do mine.
Yo, he said it. 200, we're gonna do his. With the Dremel?
With the Dremel.
With the Dremel.
With the Dremel, dude.
But that's
how low? How low? I don't know. That's up to you guys.
Well,
so how low you guys want?
so how about this? So we'll do like, this is supposed to be like an inch, basically a thumb. So we'll cut this much, and if they double up, we'll do another cut. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.
Yes, sir.